we just came lunch here, and there's birds that are going in circles, and now they just landed. So I wanted to show you guys, but I guess they just stopped. But they were going in big circles with a big crowd of birds going in all circles. But I'm sorry that you guys missed it, but they all landed on our house. So I thought they would stay there, but then it got smaller and smaller, and then all of them just stopped going in circles. It was a big crowd of them and going all around. Like that house, they were going over behind it and then back over here and then around it. There's still some birds going that way. But there's a bigger crowd over there. And it's been very birdy. And there's lots of bees around this. We're in...
Because of the waffles.
Yeah, because of the waffles. We're in... I'm just going at the back of the chair. Bell chicken for our lunch. We came here, and that's the top of the tower of the clock of Belgium. So it's quite tall, and lots of birds land there. Cross. There's one landing up there. There's one. There's lots of birds in the world. There, lots of there. I hope you like this video. Bye. But I'm sorry that you couldn't see it. Next episode we might find some, and then I'll do it quicker and show you guys. I hope you like it. Bye. Please hit subscribe. Bye.